Welcome to Compare to Win. The best resin teeth is probably one of the most versatile and cost-effective solutions available today for dental professionals and individuals seeking aesthetic improvements or restorative options, offering a remarkable blend of durability, natural appearance, and ease of use that makes them a popular choice in various dental applications, from full dentures to partial restorations, ensuring a comfortable and visually appealing outcome for patients. Number 5. HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit, Pink 69 PCS. Introducing the HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit. It's the perfect companion for all your fine DIY projects, offering versatility and convenience in one compact package. With 5 adjustable speed settings, you can easily find the perfect speed for any task. This allows for precise control, whether you're sanding, polishing, drilling, or engraving. Designed to feel like a pen, it's incredibly lightweight and comfortable to hold. This ensures ultimate control and precision, even during extended use. The built-in rechargeable battery offers over 200 minutes of use on a single charge. Plus, with its USB charging, powering up is always easy and convenient. Experience enhanced precision with the integrated LED light. It illuminates your work area, reducing shadows and allowing for more accurate results, especially in darker conditions. This kit comes complete with 69 essential accessories, providing everything you need to tackle a wide range of DIY projects and unleash your creativity. What we like? This tool offers precise control with its 5 speed settings, perfect for detailed work. Its compact and lightweight design makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods. If you are looking for a versatile tool for intricate DIY projects like resin art, jewelry making, or small-scale repairs, this is an excellent choice. What people say. I love that it's cordless, so I don't have to worry about wires while I use it. However, if it dies, you can use it while it charges. The battery lasts a long time and it's super easy to use. I like that I can adjust the speed and the actual tool itself isn't bulky and uncomfortable to hold in either hand. I purchased this tool for one purpose: marking my eyeglass frames. The ones I like, yes, that option not available. This tool made engraving my frame easy and affordable. Number 4. RZJZGZ Halloween Horror Teeth. Introducing our Halloween Horror Teeth, crafted from high-quality synthetic resin. These teeth offer a realistic and solid feel, perfect for your spooky needs. Made from durable acrylic resin, these teeth are built to last. They are not hollow, ensuring a solid and authentic appearance for any costume. These solid teeth are an excellent tool for learning and practice. They provide a realistic model for dental students or enthusiasts. Each box contains 6 complete suits, with each suit featuring 28 individual pieces. You'll have more than enough for any project or event. The teeth come in a natural A3 color, blending seamlessly with various looks. Achieve a believable and striking effect with these high-quality prosthetics. What we like? These synthetic resin teeth are solid and made from acrylic resin, offering a realistic look. If you need props for Halloween, horror-themed events, or educational models for dental learning, this set provides a good quantity for various applications. What people say. These are made with very hard resin, you can actually bite down and eat. They look very real. They look real and are great for creepy crafts. I use them with hot glue and they adhere nicely. There's so many to choose from and it's such a weird thing to have on a craft shelf. I have to recommend. Number 3. Angzhili Dental Acrylic Resin Denture Tooth Kit. Looking for a realistic touch for your next project? These acrylic resin teeth offer a lifelike appearance, perfect for costumes or educational models. Add an extra layer of horror to your Halloween look. These false teeth are ideal for creating spooky and convincing makeup effects. Need a visual aid for learning about teeth? They are great for school projects, serving as a solid model for educational purposes. Crafted from solid acrylic resin, these are not hollow. They provide a durable and realistic option for various applications. Get a set of 28 high-quality false teeth in a natural A2 shade. They are designed to look authentic for any use. What we like? With a realistic A2 shade and solid acrylic resin construction, these teeth are ideal for creative projects. If you're working on a costume, a school project requiring a dental model, or any makeup look that needs a touch of the uncanny, these are a great option. What people say. It turned out perfect. It is a pain to get the right size, and I had to use a metal nail file and try to file them to the right size. But about 4 to 6 hours of filing and critiquing and back and forth, and it now fits great and looks great too. Plus the best of all is that now I won't have to do it all the time anymore. And hey, if you're wondering about the color, it's perfect for someone who drinks coffee regularly like I have for the past 15 years. Or I guess if you're a smoker then these should work for you as well. Very real looking. Teeth can be filed to fit more easily and aesthetically. I'm currently waiting on my new flipper to be made and these have helped me immensely in my smile. Number 2. 168 PCS Dental Synthetic Resin Tooth Denture. Introducing a set of realistic-looking false teeth, perfect for various uses. They are solid and made from durable synthetic resin. Experience brand new, high-quality dental prosthetics. These are designed for a natural appearance and feel. These are great for creative makeup looks or costumes. Their realistic design adds an authentic touch to any character. They also serve as an excellent model for dental students. Practice and learn with these practical aids. Each box contains 6 sets, with each set having 28 pieces. You get a total of 168 teeth for your needs. Available in shade A3, they offer a natural tooth color. Achieve a believable look with this versatile shade. What we like. This large set provides 168 solid, synthetic resin teeth in a realistic A3 shade. If you need a substantial amount of teeth for multiple Halloween costumes, party decorations, or as learning models for a dental class, this bulk option is very practical. What people say. Worked perfectly. Even had some fun with a handful of these with our dentist friend. They look just like real teeth. They seem to be good quality and realistic. Now I am off to glue teeth to anything that should never have teeth. Fun fake teeth for crafting, easy to remove from the package without leaving black glue-like residue. Number 1. Acrylic Resin Fake Teeth Denture. These fake teeth come in a variety of sizes and shapes, including fangs and incisors. This variety makes it easy for you to find the perfect tooth for your needs. Creating a Halloween horror prop is simple with these. Just apply glue and stick them on for an instant spooky effect. They can also be used for crafts or as a teaching tool. Crafted from quality acrylic resin, these are secure and reliable for your peace of mind. The A2 color offers a natural appearance, closely resembling real teeth. You'll receive 4 sets, with each set containing 28 pieces, totaling 112 pieces. This generous amount ensures you have plenty for various uses and replacements. Please note that these are solid, not hollow, prop teeth. They are designed to look realistic and are suitable for replacement or DIY projects. What we like. Featuring a variety of tooth shapes including fangs and incisors, these acrylic resin teeth are easy to use for DIY projects. If you're aiming to create unique Halloween horror props, need a teaching tool for a blackboard, or want to add a special touch to crafts, this set offers versatility and quantity. What people say. You can also peel the teeth off the red fabric and hot glue them to your project with ease. They look very realistic and great for crafting or sewing projects. I use them with polymer clay, air dry clay and epoxy. It's creepy but that's the point. They work great, the smaller ones are too small but the front teeth are perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.